It's your girl Jhordyn.
Off the Remy, had a back loose. Had to hit my old town to check the news. 2-4 hour lockdown, we made no moves. Now it's 4 a.m. and I'm back up popping with it.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jhordyn. It's 12:19 a.m. and your girl is about to film a sneaker prep / new sneaker routine video for y'all because a lot of people on Instagram are actually asking for it, and I just copped a new shoe today, so I figured why not. This video is literally perfect, and it's not gonna be a talking video. If you know me, you know that I cannot stand long intros. Just please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Check out my other content if you haven't already, and be sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up. And also follow me on Instagram so you can actually be part of the process to see what goes on this channel, what kind of content happens on Instagram, all that good stuff. Anyway, the new shoe in question is going to be my Barely Rose Gold Hoop 6s, and I am super excited about the fact that I was able to cop these. Obviously it's white, it's kind of a creamier white, it's not super bright true white, but the shoes are really bright, so it is what it is. The goal is to keep them clean for as long as possible and to keep them protected from all the bullshit of the weather conditions, because I live in Seattle, aka Rainy City. It's dangerous for any kind of shoe that's not black. So basically I'm just gonna take you guys through the process of me protecting the shoes. Now I'm just gonna explain it in the next scene through a voiceover, and you guys are gonna see the entire process. Please stick around with me for the entire video. If I'm talking too slow or moving too slow, adjust the playbacks. Please adjust your playback speed. And stick around for the entire video because the goal is for me to be monetized by the end of 2021. We're done rambling. Let's get into how we prep these shoes to be safe, sound, and clean. Okay, so we are currently in my laundry room where I do all of my shoe prep. Basically, all we're going to be doing in this video is spraying the shoes down. My dad and I use two different kinds of sprays that protect the shoes. The first one will be the soft sole waterproofer, and the other one is our Crep Protect shoe protectant, and I'm pretty sure I just butchered that, but I don't want to re-record this voiceover. So here you'll see the soft sole. It comes in a black and blue bottle. You can actually find both of these spray protectants that we use in your local sneaker stores. We typically would get them from a Champs or a Finish Line or a Foot Locker, etc, etc. If you can't find them in any of those stores, or those stores aren't available to you, I definitely suggest giving it a quick Google search because they will pop up and multiple places sell them, but you do have to be careful to make sure that you're actually being sold the correct product. So the reason that we are in the laundry room right now is actually because the laundry room is a closed off space. So when you spray these shoes, it's going to smell really strong, and those fumes aren't good to breathe in. So we always spray our shoes in the laundry room so they can sit there and dry on their own, and they won't be fuming throughout the house because we just closed the laundry room door. So here we are removing the shoes from the box. We are going to take the shoes out of the box, obviously, so we can get them ready to spray. I usually just place the shoes on top of the box so I can spray them that way, and I move them around as necessary. Okay, so first things first, you'll see that I'm going in with the soft sole waterproofer spray. I'm shaking up the can to make sure that the product is nice and evenly distributed and that it will go on in even coatings / even layers on the shoe. I go one shoe at a time so I can be nice and thorough with the one shoe that I'm spraying. And when I say thorough, I mean thorough. Alright, thorough. You need to spray that shoe like you need it to be saturated, okay? Not literally, but you get what I'm saying. Like, don't be light-handed, don't be nice with the spray bottle. You need to get this product on there to make sure that your shoes stay nice and protected for as long as possible. Now that I've got that first layer on, I'm just gonna sit there and let the shoe dry for a second. You know, the little hand gesture, you know what I'm saying? Let it dry off for a bit because the spray was getting a little bit strong on the nostrils. Then we are going to move on to the other shoe. Alright, so we're going to repeat the same process. Now when it comes to the gold part, the gold hoops on the shoe, it is definitely okay to spray that with protectant. It's not going to ruin the gold. But what I will say is I don't suggest wiping it because you could potentially take the gold with it. I have not tested this theory, but I've heard things from other people, and I will not be testing the theory because I need my gold to stay gold. You feel me? Now we are going to repeat the same process with the Crep Protect shoe protectant. we are literally going to respray the shoes with another layer of a different brand of protectant. I'm not exactly sure what the benefits actually are to using the two different protectants, but I know that I've been doing this the entire time and it doesn't hurt. The more the merrier. You're not going to hurt your shoe. There are certain shoes that you have to be careful with spraying, but this is not one of those shoes. The leather is really strong and honestly really good quality. So yeah, don't be afraid to use this product. Just spray it with the protectant. I personally use both of these brands that I just showed y'all today, and it has always worked for me. My shoes don't have to constantly be cleaned because they don't get dirty easily. That is basically that, y'all. There ain't nothing to it but to do it in this situation. All you gotta do is find you some protectant. These are just two suggestions. You don't absolutely have to use them, but two shoe protectants that I swear by and I always spray my shoes with, and that is that. That is how you protect your shoes before you actually undead stock them. So with that being said, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give me a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, comment down below for what you want to see next, and let your shoes dry. Alright, I'm out. Bye.